Hello friends, welcome to YOQI. I'm Marisa, and today on YOQI Resource, I'm going to show you an exercise to activate your Qi hands and make a Qi ball. This exercise is going to help you to feel Qi during your Qigong practices. Now there are 5 areas or gates on the body that are especially sensitive to feel Qi. They are the Bai Hui point at the crown of the head, the Yin Tang point at your mid-eyebrow center, Lao Gong points on your palms, the Yong Chun points on the soles of the feet, and Hui Yin at the perineum. Now human hands are very special because we use our hands every day to grab things, to express our minds, and express our hearts. So the ability to feel Qi is not something that we acquire, it's something that is already within us. You are born with it, as Master Mantak Chia likes to say. So find your spot and let's activate our Qi hands. This exercise can be done standing or seated in a chair. Whether you're standing or seated, the first thing we want to do is get grounded. So find a nice structure or posture. When you're standing, the feet are shoulder width apart or a little wider. The knees are bent. You can sink down into a stable horse stance. And make sure that both feet are firmly planted on the ground. The weight is distributed evenly. Relax your hips. And then tuck the tailbone, sink it down slightly. This reduces the lumbar curve and opens the Mingmen point on the lower back. Lengthen the spine. And connect to the crown point here. So crown feels connected to heaven. And relax into a nice balanced posture. If you're seated in a chair, same principles. The feet are firmly planted on the floor, your hips, the weight is evenly distributed between the hips and the feet. The spine is long. We'll begin by activating the Lao Gong points. So you can find these points by bending your middle finger into your hand, and the middle finger will land right on this point. And then massage with your other hand here. Just draw little circles. This is the pericardium 8 point. So the pericardium is the sac around your heart that protects your heart. And in Chinese medicine, the pericardium has its own meridian. Now slap 3 times. Other hand. So because of its special connection with the heart, we call these points our healing hands points, where we can project Qi and feel Qi. Slap 3 times. Next, tap the base of the thumbs together. Then tap the pinkies together. So you can curl your pinky fingers a little bit and tap the outer edge of the hands and the pinkies. This is the small intestine meridian, so we're getting a nice acupressure massage. It's great for our assimilation of nutrients and digestion. Now, tap the backs of the hands together. Just getting the blood circulation pumping. Switch sides. So the blood is the mother of Qi, and Qi leads the blood. So they're very connected. Good. Now slap the hands front and back. Take some nice deep breaths. Then tips of the fingers. Tap your fingertips together. The fingertips are like antennas to feel energy. Now tap the base of the hands together. And finally, rub your palms together, generating some heat and friction in the hands. Warmth and heat is energy, right? Okay, now hold the palms facing each other and pulse on the chi. So my hands are just moving themselves right now. You might experience that too. This is what we call pulsing. So start to coordinate the breath with the movement. Inhale, open. Exhale, hands come together. Use your elbows and wrists to guide the movement, so you can use your hands to feel the energy. Just relax and let it flow. Now, keep one hand still and press with the other hand, and then that hand moves away. It's like a pendulum effect. This helps to create a connection between our palms. So make sure that those Laogong points are connected. And then come back to the center and imagine that you're holding a small ball of light between your hands. And then start to pump on this ball of light. So just pumping. And as you pump, this ball of light begins to grow bigger and bigger. Growing larger. And when it's big enough, you can hold an energy ball in your hands. And then begin to rotate the ball. So the size of the ball can be like a volleyball or a basketball. It's up to you. And rotate that ball, keeping a palm facing palm connection. Those Laogong points are connected. Move slowly and mindfully. The chi is already here. You don't have to do anything. You're born with it. Just feel it. Experience the present moment. The present moment is where all the chi is. This is not visualization or imagination. It's actualization. When you experience it, you know it. Feel the ball becoming stronger and stronger. Refining the chi. Now, begin to make your ball smaller. So start to condense the ball down. Pressing, condensing the chi down to about the size of a golf ball. You can pump it, condense it, all the way down to the size of a pearl, like one tight pearl of light, condensed energy. And then from here, You can allow this pearl to disappear, to pop back into your lower abdomen, or you can take this pearl with your hand and place it right here in your lower dantian. You can imagine this pearl under the sea. So this is the Qi Hai, we call our sea of Qi in the lower abdomen. We're placing the pearl under the sea. This beautiful treasure of light, feel it warm and glowing in your lower abdomen. And step your feet together. Smile into this light, feeling nice and balanced. Wonderful. So now you've made your first Qi ball, or maybe that wasn't your first Qi ball, but this is just a really fun exercise to explore energy and to share with others. Now we make a lot of Qi balls in YOQI routines, and the reason that we make a Qi ball is because this is a hologram of your energy. So we can work with energy internally using the mind and the breath, or we can work with it externally by projecting our energy into a hologram in a Qi ball. So this is the essence of the Qi ball. And from here, we can purify it, we can refine it, and raise the vibration, raise the frequency. So it's a great way to explore energy and to explore your body. This introductory practice is part of the YOQI training program, where we dive deeper into refining our Qi and different ways to make Qi balls. So if you're interested in these routines, you can find out more at yoqi.com about the training program and about the YOQI video library. Thank you for your efforts, and I wish you a blessed and Qi-filled day.